Forbes was born on June 14, 1937, and grew up in Kingston. She was an only child, which may well have contributed to her inventiveness and creativity. After building a solid educational foundation in Jamaica, she left for Canada, where she attended the Durham College of Commerce. Once back home in the early 1950s, she worked as a typist, a common occupation among women of that era, at the Sir Philip Sherlock Centre at the University of the West Indies, and began typing scripts for playwright Barry Record. This connection to the world of theatre was strengthened through visits to the newly minted Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, JBC, which she eventually joined as a radio announcer in 1955 and was greatly admired for her diction and smooth delivery. At Record's invitation, Forbes auditioned for and took on a supporting role in a 1957 revival of the pantomime Busha Bluebeard, performing in 12 of these annual productions at Kingston's Little Theatre. She took up her scholarship to the Royal Academy of Dramatic Arts, RADA, in London in 1960, where she studied drama for radio, television and stage, and performed in several productions, including as Cleopatra in Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra. At the same time, Forbes began writing for the BBC Caribbean World Service, and appeared in numerous British television dramas. Returning to Jamaica in 1966, Forbes continued working with the JBC. 2 years later, she moved to Australia, where she acted in a number of radio dramas for the Australian Broadcasting Corporation, ABC, as well as in a production of The Merchant of Venice. While there, she taught drama at several schools in Brisbane, Queensland. When she came back to Jamaica, she was appointed as head of Radio 2, JBC's FM service, and became the overall director of radio broadcasting in 1976. She spearheaded a series of popular radio dramas through the JBC Drama Workshop, including Let's Say Grace, which she wrote herself. Forbes was honored for her role in Lord Have Mercy in 2003, receiving the Gemini Award that year for Best Actress in a Comedy Drama. More recently, she was bestowed with a Certificate of Merit and a citation in acknowledgement of her outstanding body of work by the Consul General of New York. She received silver and bronze Musgrave medals for her contribution to the arts from the Institute of Jamaica, as well as a Centenary Medal, and an Order of Distinction, OD, from the Jamaican government in 1980. As a writer, Forbes co-authored Re-Entry into Sound, a standard text used to train broadcasters across the Caribbean.